You know how difficult it is when you want to withdraw money from your virtual Visa card or your virtual MasterCard. The virtual Visa card, unlike the physical Visa card or MasterCard, which you can use to withdraw money from any ATM machine, with the virtual Visa card, it is difficult for you to withdraw your money on your virtual Visa card. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw your money from your virtual Visa card, as simple as that. And after watching this video, you see this video to be entertaining and also educative, kindly do subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop new video concerning educative content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to help them also benefit from this particular video. Now let's get into the step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw your money from your virtual Visa card, as simple as that. So in the first place, let me take you to my virtual Visa card on my GCB account and see the amount which is in and how I am going to withdraw it, for you to also follow the simple steps so for you to withdraw your money on any virtual Visa card, as simple as that. So when I go to the card section here, then proceed to GCB virtual card, you see my virtual card details here. Okay, so I click on view here. So this is my virtual card here. Okay, so your virtual Visa card must have these three key features, that is the virtual Visa card number, the expiry date, as well as the CVV number. Okay, so you see I have them here, and you see the amount that I have on my virtual Visa card here, which is this amount, as you can see here. So I'm going to draw this amount through this particular application with no stress, no fee attached to it, which is very easy. Okay, so you see I have the CVV here, the expiry date, and also that of my virtual Visa card number. For confidentiality's sake, I'm gonna cover the virtual Visa card number, the CVV, as well as that of the expiry date. Okay, so let me take you to the step of which you can also use to withdraw your money. So what you have to do is that the first key step that you need to take is to go to any web browser, being Google Chrome, Google or Safari, any web browser that you are using. So let me go to my Google Chrome here. So at the Google search engine, what you have to do is to search for Sporty. Search for Sporty here, SportyBet here. You search for SportyBet here. You are going to ask, why is it that you need SportyBet to withdraw your money on your virtual Visa card? This is the easiest way and the simplest way that I have found, of which it is working, that I also want you to do as simple as that. So you follow this step as simple as, so you go to search for SportyBet here. Okay, SportyBet here. So if you don't have SportyBet account, irrespective of where you are, make sure you create a SportyBet account through the web or through the app, of which you can download on Google Play Store or App Store. Okay, now after having a successful account on SportyBet, then you log in and also you see this full step. Okay, so after creating an account and logging in, you go to the my section here on SportyBet here. Then you need to make sure that you withdraw the money from the virtual Visa card, irrespective of where you created the virtual Visa card, either in your GCB account, EcoBank, or any mobile banking app that you used to create the virtual Visa card. Okay, so you need to make sure that you withdraw money from that virtual Visa card onto your SportyBet account. So what you have to do is that you go to the deposit section here, you click on deposit on Sporty here. Then you see the mobile money deposit, the pay bill deposit, and card deposit. You go to the card deposit here, click on card deposit, and you can see I have already linked my virtual Visa card on my GCB account here. So anytime I want to draw money from my virtual Visa card, I go ahead to deposit the money from my virtual Visa card onto my SportyBet account, then withdraw it into my mobile money account, as simple as that. Okay, so here, if you are about to link your virtual Visa card to your SportyBet account, you go to use new card here. So you click on use new card here. Then here you enter the card number here, you enter the expiry date, then you enter the CVV on your virtual Visa card. Okay, so after entering the details here, then GCB will send you 6-digit code as an OTP, and in the next page you'll be required to enter that 6-digit pin code as the OTP in your SportyBet account here. And after entering the OTP code, which is sent by the mobile banking app, which you have your virtual Visa card on, you automatically link your virtual Visa card to your SportyBet account, okay, and you see it shown as you see mine here, okay, you see mine here, okay. You can choose to set it as default, okay. You can choose to save it and also set it as default, okay, so that anytime you want to withdraw money from your virtual Visa card through your mobile money, you don't have to just go ahead to input the data again, okay. All that you have to do that when you go to the card section, you see it is at default as mine here, okay. So if I want to withdraw the money, bear in mind you can withdraw the money from the mobile banking app that you have the virtual Visa card on to your SportyBet account, then you withdraw it from your SportyBet account to your mobile money account, as simple as that. So now let's go, let me show you how I'll do it. So bear in mind I have 5 cedis in my virtual Visa card here, okay. I want to withdraw this money, as simple as that. So I go to the SportyBet account here, then I click on add fund here, okay. With the add fund, I'll enter 5 here, then you see the amount will pop up here. Then I go ahead to enter the CVV, which is on my virtual Visa card, okay. I enter the CVV here. So after successfully entering the CVV, then you go ahead to click on top up here, okay. So I click on top up here, and you see the verification code will be sent to my account here. So all that I have to do is to go ahead to enter the verification code, which is sent to the mobile number that I used to create the account on the GCB, as simple as that, okay. So I enter the verification code here, okay. I enter it here to proceed and also approve the withdrawal of 5 cedis from my virtual Visa card and proceed to withdraw to my mobile money account, as simple as that. So let's follow, okay. So therefore, after entering the verification code, you see deposit succeeded. That means I have withdrew 5 cedis from my virtual Visa card onto my SportyBet account, of which I can now withdraw into my mobile money account, as simple as that. So I go ahead to click on done here. So you see now the 5 cedis has been deposited into my SportyBet account, as simple as that here, okay. It has been deposited here, okay. Now the next step and the final step that I have to go ahead to do is to go ahead to withdraw this money, which I withdrew from my virtual Visa card onto my mobile money account, okay. So this time I'll go ahead to click on the withdraw button here. Then here you see you can choose to withdraw to your mobile money account or your bank account, okay. So here you can withdraw from your virtual Visa card onto your mobile money account, or you can withdraw from your virtual Visa card and withdraw it onto your bank account, as simple as that. Any of them, whichever that you use. So this time around, let me use the mobile money here, okay. I want to withdraw the money from my SportyBet account to my mobile money account, okay. This is very simple, okay. Now let's go, okay. With the mobile money account, those who are gamers, you can see how it goes, okay. So your number that I want to withdraw your money is there, okay. So what I have to do is go ahead to click on the enter the amount that I want to withdraw. That is 5 cedis here. Then I proceed to click on the withdrawal here, okay. And within short minutes, the 5 cedis will reflect in my mobile money account, as simple as that, okay. So you see pending here. Within some short minutes, the 5 cedis has reflected in my mobile money account, as simple as that, from the SportyBet, okay. So you can see now I have successfully withdrew the money from my virtual Visa card onto my mobile money account using the SportyBet account, okay. So the step is that first you need to make sure that you have the virtual Visa card on any of the mobile banking as being GCB, EcoBank, or any mobile banking app that you have the virtual Visa card on. You need to make sure that you have it, and your virtual Visa card must have the virtual Visa card number, the expiry date, and also that of the CVV. Then the next thing is that you need to go ahead to create the account on the SportyBet. If you don't have SportyBet account, you need to download it from Google Play Store or the App Store. You can as well use the web version to create the account. Then you add your Visa card number, that's the virtual Visa card number, on your mobile banking app to your SportyBet account. Use it to make the deposit, that is withdraw the money from the virtual Visa card onto your SportyBet account. Then you withdraw from a SportyBet account to your mobile money account or to your bank account, as simple as that. Okay, so now let me go back to see the amount in my SportyBet account to see if I have successfully withdrawn the money here. So you can see now, after successfully withdrawing the money, it is now 0 Ghana cedis as balance here. Then let me go to my GCB virtual Visa card to see if the money was successfully withdrawn from there. Okay, so then now let me view my balance here. So when I view my balance here, you see now it is left with 49 pesos. That means I have withdrew the 5 cedis from my virtual Visa card onto my SportyBet account, then withdrew it into my mobile money account, as simple as that. So therefore, this is the step-by-step guide on how you can also withdraw your money from your virtual Visa card. I mean virtual Visa card, the one that is not like this one, which you can use to withdraw any money from the ATM. Okay, so the virtual Visa card, that's a card which is at the online space. Then you withdraw it into your SportyBet account, then to your mobile money account or to your bank account, as simple as that. If you see this video to be educative and entertaining, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you'll be part of this channel. Turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop new video content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, and we are the talk of the tech.